Greeting once again, it's Otaki. In this video, I will share the best tools, extensions, and IDE to help you in coding and performing really well and boost your strategy of learning curve of the coding or just side hustling coding projects and so on. So, the best tool so far for me, it is Cursor. Cursor is an IDE like Virtual Studio Code, so with a gigantic coding, and it will support all the models like the premium features like ChatGPT codecs, Gemini, and Grok. So you can use this cursor as an IDE and you just performing your commands. Second, so far for me, it's like similar to cursor and is really powerful tool, which is Coder. It is good enough as an IDE itself. And the third one, which is an extension in any IDE, especially in VS Code, so you can use Cloud as great extension. Like it can motivate like the best coding strategies, and it can help you in documentation, sketching, and getting things from scratch itself. The last one, which is the familiar one and the most popular one, which is powered by Microsoft and GitHub, which is the Copilot. The Copilot one, you can integrate itself also as coding, and that's it. I hope you like the video, like the best promised applications that I already use, I already maintain and code in my own as personal experience. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.